Hello students, welcome you to this session. Let's start this session. Before starting this session, please subscribe our channel. Let's start. Current topic is on types of variables. So there are total 6 types of variables: ordinary variables, pointer to pointer variable, subscripted variable, structure variable, file variable. So what is ordinary variable? Variable is always used to store value. If we want to store one value into a variable, the variable is used. So what is the function of variable? Variable is used to store any value, but at a time we can store only one value into a variable. And one value can be of any type. And this value can be changed whenever we want to change in a program. And last changed value is the final value of that variable. So ordinary variable is used to store any value. It can store only one value at a time. And one value can be of any type. And value of variable can be changed. And every variable has a particular address in a memory. Okay. So that memory location is given a particular name. Which name? That is kept as a variable. The name we give for a variable is kept as a memory cell name. Okay. So simple we learn here. Simple key ordinary variable is a variable which is used to store any value and one value at a time. So we go to next variable, pointer variable. As I have already said, every variable has a particular memory address. So pointer variable holds memory addresses. Pointer variable will hold one memory address at a time. It is used to store memory address. We can store any memory address into this variable, but it will store only one memory address. And it will always store memory address, nothing else. If we will store any number, then it will consider it as a memory cell number. Okay. So pointer to pointer variable. Next. So it is used to memory address of pointer variables only. It will hold only addresses of pointer variable. Okay. Not simple variable. Which variable? Only pointer variable. It will hold the memory address of only pointer variable. Next, array variable. We know we know that we can store only one value into a simple variable. But array allows us to store more than one value into one variable at a time. But all value must be of same type. All value must be of same type. So every value of an array is given a numbering, and this numbering is called index or subscript. And this numbering starts from 0, always starts from 0. And all values are stored continuously in memory. Structure variable, next it is structure variable. We know array variable has some limitation. What array variable needs all values of same type. But if we want to store more than one values of different data type, then structure variable is used. So it is used to store more than one values of different data type. Every value must be of different type. It is not necessary. I have written must be of different type, but we can also take same type. But its main function is we should or we can store data of different type. If we have to store data of same type, then why to take structure variable? Then we can take an array. So main aim of the structure variable is used to store more than one values of different data type. Every value must be of different data type and all values are stored in memory at continuous location. It is also called a record. Its another name is record. Its variable sizes. Its variable size is equal to the sum of sizes of its different type of values. Okay. So next is file variable. File variable, it is used to store memory address of files. We know every data is stored on memory. Every data is stored in computer memory, and every data has a particular address. So files are also stored in memory. So files have also memory addresses. So file variable is used to store memory address of a file. So this is the last file variable. 6 type of variable we have learned all 6 types of variables. So you remember always all these types of variables. So I end this session. So have a nice time and enjoy, and please subscribe my channel, subscribe this channel. Have a nice time, and in coming videos we will discuss these variables in detail.